AeroVironment, AV, a defense contractor specializing in unmanned systems, has indeed secured a $186 million delivery order from the U.S. Army for its advanced Switchblade loitering munition systems. This contract, announced on February 26, 2026, falls under a larger $990 million Indefinite Delivery, Indefinite Quantity IDIQ agreement awarded in August 2024 for Lethal Unmanned Systems. It represents the Army's initial procurement of AV's next-generation Switchblade lineup, specifically the Switchblade 600 Block 2 and Switchblade 300 Block 20 variants, equipped with explosively formed penetrator warheads for enhanced anti-armor capabilities. Switchblade systems are portable, tube-launched kamikaze drones designed for precision strikes, reconnaissance, and loitering over targets before diving in to explode on impact. The Switchblade 600 Block 2 is a larger model optimized for engaging armored vehicles and tanks at extended ranges with improved autonomy and payload options. Meanwhile, the Switchblade 300 Block 20 is a more compact version suited for infantry use against personnel and lighter targets, now featuring EFP technology for piercing armored threats. These upgrades aim to boost lethality in modern battlefields, particularly against fortified positions or vehicles, as highlighted in recent military analyses. The order underscores the U.S. military's push toward integrating more autonomous tank killer drones into infantry and maneuver units, reflecting lessons from ongoing conflicts like those in Ukraine, where similar systems have proven effective. On X, discussions around the deal emphasize its role in advancing loitering munition tech, with users noting the focus on upgraded Block 2 variants for the Army's needs. AV stock saw a positive reaction to the news, aligning with broader trends in defense spending on unmanned precision weapons.